Guys, it's George. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my channel if you're new here. Today's video is going to be a new series which I'm starting called Worth It Wednesday. So this is going to be where I'm going to try out or review a new product and basically let you guys know how it is, if it's worth it. It's basically the idea behind this all. So welcome to the first ever Worth It Wednesday. Today we are going to be testing the BONDI SANDS Everyday Gradual Tanning Milk. So what I'm going to do in these videos is sort of review it, if it's like makeup, do like a wear test, and just sort of let you guys know what I think and if it is worth it, like the money wise, the quality wise, all that stuff. So if you like the sound of this video, then please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a big thumbs up. Okay, so as you guys know, like, I love fake tan. I love fake tanning. I love being tanned. So yeah, that's why I kind of wanted to try this product out, because I have found in lockdown I don't really want to tan because I can't be bothered to waste like good tan when I'm just at home, do you know what I mean? So I wanted to try like a gradual tan to see if like it gave me a bit of colour without being like too much of an effort, because I feel like when you tan you have to like wait for it to dry and it's just all like a big thing. So anyway, I saw the BONDI SANDS Everyday Gradual Tanning Milk on Missguided when I did my Missguided haul, and I thought I'd give it a go because I have used BONDI SANDS Tan in the past and I do really like it. Like their liquid gold one I used to love. So I thought let's try a gradual tanning milk, and I also thought it was interesting, it's a tanning milk and not like a moisturizer. Like I don't really know the difference because this is basically a moisturizer, like it's got the same thick consistency as a moisturizer, but it's just called a milk. Anyway, so I'll quickly insert a clip here that I recorded yesterday, just so you guys can get an idea of like the colour I was beforehand, and all that. So let's move on to that quickly. And I thought I would just show you like the colour of my arms before. I have exfoliated and moisturised. So yeah, I am gonna apply this lighting. It's horrible, and so I've got a massive spot there, so apologies. But this lighting is horrible, but I thought I'd just come on and show you like the before colour of my skin. Like it's got no fake tan on. So I'm gonna apply one layer of this and then I will check in with you guys tomorrow and we'll see more. Right, so now that you've seen kind of the colour I was before, this is now the colour of my arm. And I know it may not seem like a massive change. Oh, the sun's just gone in. But I am definitely a lot more tan than I was yesterday. I think this just gives like a really nice kind of like golden glow. I was a bit apprehensive because I always find like some tanning moisturisers can be super hit and miss. Like some can make you really sticky for one. Like sometimes like any tan product can make you sticky, and they can make you look patchy, they can be streaky because you don't really know where you're putting it because it's a moisturiser, you are just rubbing it in. And like me, I have a lot of rings and I don't really take my rings off, so I didn't know if it, like I'd maybe like miss a patch or like leave a line where my rings caught the tan. So yeah, application with this was like super easy, literally like a moisturiser. I literally put it all over my body, just like a normal moisturiser, and it sunk in really quickly. So I literally just put my pyjama top after like 2 minutes and went to bed and went to sleep. And the colour this morning I think is so nice, like it's a really nice golden colour, and it was so easy to apply. So the price of this product was £11.99, and I do think this is quite a good price point for a gradual tanner, because also you get quite a lot on it. So this is 375 millilitres, so quite a lot in this, and I've done 3 bodies worth since getting this, and like as you can see, like there's still quite a lot left. Like we're only down to here and I still got like the full bottle left. So if we're looking at that as like 3 bodies, I reckon we can do 3, 6, between like 10 to 15 maybe full body applications with this. And like I said, you don't really need a lot if you just want like a natural golden colour. Like it's not going to give you the same colour as a fake tan, because obviously they're different jobs. Like this is a gradual tan, which you probably could build up over like a few days and get like an actual tan colour. Or if you just want like me and just wanted literally something that you could just throw on, make yourself like a little bit more human, because I was getting to the point when like my skin was so pale that it was like translucent, and I was like, I just want a bit of colour in my skin. I feel better in myself when I've got a bit of a tan. I think I look healthier, and all that. So is this product worth it is like the main question that I want to start in this series. So I personally think yes, this BONDI SANDS gradual tanner is worth it. I would definitely purchase this again. Also, I didn't talk about the smell. So this is like a really nice shea butter smell. So it's made with it says cocoa butter scent, but it's like, you know, that sort of I don't know how to like describe it. It's just got that real specific like smell to it. Also, this is like the consistency. so like it's quite gloopy, like a moisturizer. But this does remind me of like, yeah, a cocoa butter type of smell. Very similar to like those Body Shop cocoa butters that you used to get when you were younger, like the big pots. Smells a bit like that. I did see some reviews saying some people didn't like the smell of it, but I did. I thought it was quite a nice smell. It's not unpleasant at all. There are definitely fake tans out there which smell a lot worse than this does. So yeah, back to the question, is this worth it? I'd say yes, 100%. I will be repurchasing this when it runs out. It's not the same as a fake tan, like it doesn't give you that instant like dramatic change of colour, but it does really help to give you like a bit of a glow, and I really liked it, so I'm definitely going to repurchase this, and I would really fully recommend it. Like, I think with these Worth It Wednesday videos, I think they're not going to be like super long videos of mine. Like, they probably will be between like 5 to 10 minutes, which is fine. Like, obviously if you guys just want to watch like a quick review of a video, like I think they're going to be really helpful, because sometimes when I want to review a product, they go on for like 20 minutes and like I just want to know if it's worth it, which is what kind of inspired this video. So I really hope you guys are excited for this new sort of series like I am. I'm really looking forward to filming it. I've got some videos planned for the upcoming weeks about the products I want to review, so I'm really excited for it. So anyway, if you did enjoy this video, and if you are excited for my new Worth It Wednesday series, then please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a big thumbs up. I will also note I will be trying to film my other videos as well, sort of like my makeup, my hauls, my general vlogs, alongside my Worth It Wednesdays videos. These are just sort of like an extra video, so hopefully we'll be uploading twice a week from now on. So yeah, if you guys like the sound of that, then please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a big thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching as always, and I'll see you next time.